हेलो हेलो बच्चा पार्टी, वेलकम वेलकम है सबका वन शॉट वन पीवाईक्यू पे। तो आज हम लोग इस लेक्चर में 5 पीवाईक्यू करने वाले हैं। 5 टफेस्ट पीवाईक्यूज ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन विच वाज आस्क्ड इन मेंस 2024 जनवरी शिफ्ट। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। यहाँ है अपना पहला पीवाईक्यू जो कि आया था 2024 फर्स्ट फेब वाले पेपर में। तो देखिए क्या हुआ है। I is given as this and 0 to 1 we are applying King's property f of x equal to f of a plus b minus x, that is f of 1 minus x। तो जब आप f of 1 minus x अप्लाई करोगे तो ये जो चीज है पूरी की पूरी सेम रहेगी, लेकिन माइनस साइन के साथ। यहाँ पे देखिए माइनस साइन के साथ सेम है। तो अगर माइनस साइन के साथ सेम है तो अपन क्या बोलते हैं, I is equal to minus I, that means 2I equal to 0। आंसर हो जाएगा 0। 0 is the hero in this question। Alright, so very simple question, just apply the King's property, you are getting the answer। Let us move to our second PYQ। So here is the second PYQ। Yes, it appeared tough to many of the students। 30th January evening shift it was asked, f of x is given as this and they are asking g of x is 4 times f of x and they were asking the value of x square into g of x। They were asking the value of x square into g of x and g of x is this। So very good question। See कैसे करेंगे। सबसे पहले f of x is given, so we are calculating f of x। So when we are calculating f of x is replaced by f of x, that is fx by 1 plus fx whole power 4 whole power 1 by 4। Put the value of fx, simplifying we are getting x upon 1 plus 2 into x power 4 whole power 1 by 4। Now observe, when we are taking 2 times f, here 2 is coming। When you will take f of x, you will get 3 here। When we will take f of x, that is 4 times, then we will get 4, 5 times, then 5। So that is the pattern। So what is our g of x? X upon 1 plus 4 times x power 4 whole power 1 by 4। So come to the next slide। They are asking x square into g of x, that means whole is becoming this। After this, put this equal to 1 plus 4 into x power 4 equal to t power 4, differentiate, get your answer। So this is how we do difficult questions। When the question is difficult, we should start thinking more about the given inputs, the given data, because if we think more, if we observe those given data carefully, always we find one solution and that solution leads to the answer of question। All right, let us go to the third PYQ। So third PYQ is here, 27th Jan evening shift। Again King's property, apply King's property, add both। After adding you will see denominator is not same। So if denominator is not same, we should add them by taking LCM, and now you will see this is a plus b, this is a minus b। a I am saying as 1 plus a square, b I am saying as 2a cos x। a minus b, a plus b, take the LCM, a square minus b square, add that, we are getting this। Clear? After we are getting this and cos square x, now we are getting the idea that if we divide by cos square x, Here you will get secant square x, here also secant square x, and here only 4a square. And this secant square x, what you will write? 1 plus tan square x, put tan x as t dt secant square x dx, and after that you will get your final answer. So bacha, this way we solve the tough problems of definite integration. Okay, clear, happy? All right, come to the fourth PYQ. Here is the fourth PYQ of definite integration. This question is also very lengthy. See how we are doing this lengthy problem. I is given as this, yes, 31st Jan evening shift, and this was given. Observe the problem. King's property, f of x equal to f of a plus b minus x, that is pi minus x, denominator unchanged. Here pi minus x the whole square, sin pi minus x is sin x only, cos pi minus x is minus cos x, so just minus, and this will be out. Add both I plus I, 2i, and this, so a square minus b square sin x dx and all this. Open it, you are getting this. Till here we are clear, 2 to 2, we are cancelling it out. After that we are getting I equal to all this. We opened it. This into this upon this, minus pi square into this upon this. This I am saying as first integral I1. This I am saying as second integral I2. Now let us go to the next page. Yes, I1 is this, and in I1, see I1 carefully. It is applicable for King's property. Pi by 2 minus x, and here cos x, sin x and all this, add both, you will get pi by 4 times. I have done in the next step here. After applying King's property, we are getting this, and I2 is already this, and now you see I2 is minus pi square times this, and I1 is pi square by 2 times. So when you will add I1 plus I2, then you will get I. So I will be this and this, so minus pi square by 2, and 0 to pi by 2, all this. Yes or no? Pakka. Alright. See here, after this what we are doing? We are writing this sin power 4x plus cos power 4x h, sin square x plus cos square x the whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So 1 minus all this we are writing, multiplying, dividing by 2, 1 minus half sin square 2x and all this. After this we are writing this and this, and we can see by 0 to pi by 2 it is becoming same. Again apply one more property, f of x equal to f of 2a minus x, 0 to 2a, 0 to 2a, f of x is equal to f of 2a minus x. Then what we do? We say 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. Same thing here. 0 to pi by 2 it is changed, so we are writing 2 times 0 to pi by 4 and all this. Apply the King's property once again. After putting to 0 to pi by 4, you will get here this sign is converted to cos, and after this put this cos 2x as t, and then get your answer. This was reported by the students as the lengthiest problem. Answer was not coming. So during the exam, this is for the shift 2 students who are going to write the exam in April or who are going to write the exam in 2025. Be aware of this type of lengthy problems. If all questions are lengthy, you don't have any option, then only do this. Otherwise, it is very time-taking problem. Okay, so let us move to the next. That is our fifth PYQ. This was the toughest one. This is your toughest PYQ, I will say, which students reported. See how beautifully they have designed the problem. F of x is given as this and g of x is odd, and they are asking find out the value of this, and this is equal to pi by alpha whole square minus alpha. What should be alpha? Okay, see here, g of x is already odd. So when we calculate f of minus x, how to calculate this f of minus x?